Greetings from Saigon, Vietnam. This is Ho Chi Minh City. I'm at the Pham Ngu Lao area. I'll do a little walking tour, show you guys how is it like, and show you some of the tour agencies and stuff. Now there's a nice Pham noodles right here called the Pham Win. I eaten here before, it's not bad. There are some hotels here and spas. You can go to different parts in Vietnam as well as to Cambodia, Fuji, and guess what? You can also rent motorbikes. But then make sure that you're not being scammed, because I heard of people renting motorbikes at the end of the day, they pay much more. Because the staff will say the customer damaged the motorbike and then they ask them to pay. But this actually intentional, purposely, the staff make the motorbike have some problem before they rent the bike to the customers. I used some of these agencies before to go to Cambodia and other parts of Vietnam. But it's advisable to go to during the daytime, because at night the driver can be drunk. They drink beer, alcohol secretly on their cheek, or if they are tired, they may just sleep, doze off on the wheel, and that's it. The life is endangered by the driver. Oh, over here there's some big sale, 70,000 for everything. That's nice. And next we have the Western food, McDonald's. If you guys like it, or not really used to eating Vietnamese food, come here. But then do not eat every day, because you get fat easily. And next we come across seafood banh mi. It's a kind of bread. And the seller put some topping. Then you have more of the tour agencies right here. The address 275, guys. 275 Pham Ngu Lao. And the bus will come here and fetch the customers, the passengers, to their destination, and also drop them here from the destination back to the pickup point. And the price usually like less than 1 million Vietnam dong, because one bus can seat about 40 passengers, and you share the cost. Over here there are a lot of some scams. I will tell you guys later. First of all, there will be fake Grab riders who say that you need a ride. They are dressed up in Grab uniforms, but they are not the real Grab riders. They are just the fake one, and they'll demand a high fee, a fixed price. Let's say from here you go to the airport, Tanzania International Airport, they want $500,000. I mean 500,000 Vietnamese dong, or 500,000, 600,000 Vietnamese dong, and that's like ridiculous, because the price according to the app from the downtown city, Saigon, to the airport is about 150,000 dong to 180,000 dong for the car. So just be very, very careful. And next we come out Circle K. It's a local convenience store. I like it because there are a lot of my favorite Vietnamese snacks, and you also can get them at 7-Eleven. And you have the massage shop here, and some more street food. Now there's many hotels here from 2-star to 4-star, depending on what you need. And the budget, this is the Liberty Hotel. If you guys want some fresh air, just cross opposite. There's a park called 23/9 Park. You can have some fresh air, walking, exercising, or even running. Sometimes you can see the Vietnamese people playing the shuttlecock. They kick and jump out with their legs. This is another tour agency. Lots of hotel. This is Elias Hotel, and they come with a buffet breakfast. But then you pay extra 215,000 dong. And in Vietnam, very common to see motorbikes parked just outside the hotel, because these motorbikes belong either to the staff or to the customer. In Vietnam, more than 80% of the people, they actually ride the motorbike because it's cheap and easier, faster to get around compared to a car or taxi, because the traffic is usually like heavy during the peak hours. Now there's a Burger King here. So just now there was McDonald's, now it's Burger King. Now this is another hotel called Saigon Kiko 211 Pham Ngu Lao. And over here they sell some SIM cards and fruits and snacks and drinks. You can even change your money. 7-Eleven. If you crave for some fun noodles, can come here. On cut. Over here, there's a pub. They call the Eddie Boo. And this road is a daytime. From here, you walk street about 100 meters, turn right, and there will be the popular, famous BBM walking street. I just crossed the road to the 23/9 park, and some people playing the game. I say earlier, the shuttlecock kicking is very fun. The game is to kick the shuttlecock for as long as possible in the air without dropping, and they control the shuttlecock by their legs. This need practice. I have bought a shuttlecock and I practice in my free time. But then the most important is control it gently and do not like kick it too hard, because you out of control, and then direction or left right is also important, and the ultimate kick will be the back kick or the heel kick in the shuttlecock kicking, which really takes time to master, but it really looks super beautiful. So this area is a central market in number 4 Pham Ngu Lao address, and then there's a Pea Garden bar. So it's just located next to the 23/9 park, and opposite over there with the Pham Ngu Lao area, which I just explored. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far, and give a like so that more people can find this video. Thanks very much. We just have a short tour of the Pham Ngu Lao park now. There are a lot of benches. People even sleep there. I saw people sleeping and exercising. It's good for a good stroll, a light stroll after dinner with your friends, relatives, loved ones. Now many people come here to stroll. The time is 9:15 PM, but you can see a big family in front. I think they are the local Vietnamese, about 10 of them. It's really nice to see them exercising to keep them in good health. Now the sound of the shuttlecock kicking is very special. You can hear it from 10 meters away, and then it really looks nice to play. I mean, to see them, the players playing. I think they practice for years to achieve this standard, because it's not easy to see the direction and the angle unless you play frequently.